my best.
Hey there, friends. What are you doing February 13th or 15th? My name is Darren LaCroix. I'm the 2001 World Champion of Public Speaking, and here with my coach, Mark Brown, the 1995 World Champion of Public Speaking.
Hola, amigos.
We're going to be doing two special workshops, never before and possibly never again, in Barcelona, coming up February 13th and February 15th. Mark, what are they going to get from this?
Well, first of all, they're going to learn the skill of delivering unforgettable presentations, tips, tools, tricks, and techniques to make you shine not only on stage, but also online. Skills you're going to need in any speaking situation.
We literally wrote the book on delivering unforgettable presentations. Our World Championship speeches from over 2 decades ago are still relevant, still helping people today. What did we do? How did we do it? The reason we're in Barcelona, we're working with 4 CEOs. So Mark and I are coming in a couple days early for you to show you how to be unforgettable. What are those secrets that I was a Toastmaster for 7 years in 4 clubs, and until I met Mark, I didn't know what I didn't know. So I encourage you to join us. Mark, take us home.
Invite your friends. Consider this our personal invitation for you to come to February 13th or 15th in Barcelona, Spain. We will see you there.
All right, join us.